La Blanc. So obviously there's no parking right here. But one of the things that I personally think is kind of cool about this property is there's overflow parking for guests. So you're right next to it. That is a medium-sized street behind us, directly behind us. But as you can see, there's not a lot of traffic on it right now. So you just go through this little gate. This is the backyard. So, yeah. Okay. I want to add some pavers or something back here. I don't know if you can add a privacy fence or something to that backyard. Definitely want to repaint all this trim, change out the locks. So we have tile on the first floor, and we have this, what looks like maybe laminate with some metal transition strips and edging going up the stairs. The wall color is very close to what we normally do, which is great. The sliders seem to be in pretty good condition right now. The blinds have to go though, so I'll count them as we go. The baseboards are nice and high. It looks really good. That kind of looks funny, but you know, that's the style from when this property was built. This door looks like it's had some touch-up. Pretty small bathroom. It has blinds even though it doesn't need one, so I'm not going to count it. And another one of those 90s cutouts. But it's a beautiful undermount sink and a beautiful stone counter. So in this first room we have 3 windows, and then in the kitchen we have a window. So 5 windows downstairs. So I'm wondering if there was a leak under the sink and maybe this under the slab possibly, because there's a pipe running, looks like through the walls. I've seen that happen before. We'll just ask for that. Hopefully they've disclosed it on the SRPD, but it looks like it's already been fixed, so probably is not an issue at all. Nice Hunter fan. It's a nice size for this room. I cannot figure out what's in this. It's incredibly well insulated and also incredibly well sealed. It's sealed by a metal ring at the top. Super curious what's in there. But here's our water heater, our furnace, and we want to remove this water softener, Medico system. LiftMaster garage doors. This is pretty straightforward. This is great garage flooring. So, pretty simple. Sorry. So 2 windows on the stairs. So we're at 5 windows upstairs, 6 windows, 7 windows. I actually really like the feel of this bathroom. The upgrades are great. The undermount sink, stone counters, cabinets look fine. Ideally this would be tile. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're at 8 windows right now, including the stairs. And including this one. So a good amount of closet space for a house this size. Laundry room's upstairs, which is great as long as the washer is installed correctly. We don't want leaks. We need a shower rod. We're at 8 blinds for upstairs. 9, 10, 11, 12. We're at 12. We have closet door guides on here. Okay, pretty straightforward. Whoa, wonder what that was. Okay.